Thinking about trying intermittent fasting? It's one of the most popular and effective eating strategies, but how does it actually work? Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's an eating pattern. You cycle between eating and fasting periods, with popular methods like the 16-8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. During your fasting window, stick to water, black coffee, or tea to keep your body in fat-burning mode. When you fast, insulin levels drop, making it easier for your body to burn stored fat for energy. It can also improve metabolism, boost brain function, and even support longevity. But what you eat matters. When it's time to break your fast, focus on nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs to fuel your body. Fasting isn't a free pass to overeat. Avoid ultra-processed foods and stick to whole, nourishing meals for the best results. Pair intermittent fasting with exercise for even better fat loss and muscle retention. Strength training and fasting work great together. Intermittent fasting can transform your health when done right. Want the full guide? Click the link below to learn more. Don't forget to follow for more health and fitness tips, or subscribe so you never miss out on our latest updates. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and make fasting work for you.